Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a powered phone with your active Geo SIM and mobile data turned on. Once done, make sure signal shows 4G or LTE. Poor signal will skew results. Open the My Geo app or, if you prefer quick checks, get ready to dial the UST code. You will log in with your Geo number or use SIM-based access because the system ties usage to that number. With those steps complete, proceed to the usage screen or dialer now. You should tap into the My Geo dashboard next. This is where the app surfaces your active pack and remaining GB. Once you select the data balance card, the app shows plan validity and remaining data broken down by primary and night packs. Make sure to expand view details to see session-wise consumption, which helps identify heavy apps. If you want teacher-level precision, note the plan reset date so you can compare remaining GB versus days left, and then plan throttling accordingly. If the app is unavailable, you can quickly dial the Geo UST code like *333# to see your data balance. It's fast and reliable. Once you get the number, compare it to the app. If they differ, clear app cache, force close and reopen, or restart your phone to refresh network registration. If counts still mismatch, contact Geo customer care at 198 and provide last recharge details. This resolves most provisioning or display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.